Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. It is hump day. You know, Thursdays are hump day, is hump day in cryptos because cryptos never sleep. They trade Saturday and Sunday, and Thursday's just halfway through this week. And hopefully this week turns out muy bueno green candle. That's what I'm hoping for. And we already got some muy bueno green candles going. And a couple of the coins that I've been highlighting, in particular Litecoin and BNB, Binance coin on fire, man, completely on fire. The only coin now in UpMo on the monthly, the only coin at the top, you know, the ones that we cover, that has that to say for itself. So congratulations to BNB, man, just an outstanding run here, and it doesn't look to be like, you know, there's nothing that I see that says get out and run because it's going to turn around. Nothing so far in the price discovery to indicate that. But you know what? Let's do the rounds because that's what we do. Doing the rounds, a little segment I do every day. My chance to talk about a headline that I've noticed in the space, and this one, man, I got to tell you, it just keeps. The space keeps just blowing me away on the creativity and the different directions the technology is taking. And this is a new car wallet, allows automatic IOTA payments right now. So we got a brave new world shaping up here, man. You're going to pull up, you're going to plug in, and the pump or the charging station and the wallet on your car are just going to interact. Well, me, they'll probably say, hey, you got to fill up your wallet before I can fill up your car. But they're going to talk to each other. They'll say, yeah, I got credit. You got credit? We got credits. I mean, all the science fiction movies that you ever saw are starting to come true here in a brave new world in cryptos. The car just says, yeah, I got the money. Fill me up with some juice. You know, I live in Oregon in the United States of America, and in Oregon, you can't get out and fill your own car. You have to have somebody fill it for you. And this is going to make their job easier, right? They just plug it in, and you don't even have to talk to the guy. You don't even have to give him your cash or a credit card or anything. The car just talks to the pump, and me and the attendant can have a conversation. Hey, how's it going? What are you doing? Anyway, it just blows me away. I mean, and this is what I'm talking about. People aren't stopping because there was a crypto winter, right? This technology is evolving, man. People aren't running away from it because we had a bad year. And so IOTA, how about this one too that you got to pay attention to? New car wallet allows automatic IOTA payments. So the payment's going to be on the IOTA network. And so you got to watch IOTA because this is what I've talked about, use case, things that people are developing stuff, and then there's a use case, and then people are using it. Why wouldn't you use this? Why would you want to get out of your car and put your credit card into the pump? Let the car do the talking. I got money. I got credits. Anyway, I thought it was awesome, and just continues to develop the storyline. Cryptos aren't going away, man. All right, listen, let's take the vitals and talk about the real price action. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk about the actual trading action. I've been covering EOS this week, and EOS right now trading 382 and toying with that up momentum level of 391. Like I said, it looks great on the weekly. We need to gain this up momentum level, and then we got room to 437 on the daily to the UpMo collar. And looking, 432 is the UpMo collar on the weekly. The weekly actually needs to catch up because of 2 weeks ago such an explosive move. But I really think EOS looks healthy to me, man. It looks healthy, and I think maybe not this week, maybe not next week. But in the next, I think by the end of the month, we're going to have plenty of room on the weekly for this thing to start acting like BNB and Litecoin already are. Pressing, man, pressing. and making new weekly highs. So that's what I'm looking at EOS. Sometimes the chart takes a little bit of time to catch up, and sometimes the underlying asset trades a little bit sideways until that happens. Unless there's something like super explosive that's going on in the storyline and the fundamentals. But that's what I'm seeing. You need to catch 391, get this thing above up momentum on the daily, and then I think we can go test that high that we made, maybe even through the collars at 432 and 437. And check out what was that high there? 440, 453. 453. First time up, you got to be a seller there and take profits on some of your coin there, because a double top into collars, whether they be daily or weekly, is always a great place to be taking profit. All right, listen, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd, and we're going to continue talking about the rest of the asset class. So you need to be an EndoTech subscriber. Please go to endotech.io if you are watching on YouTube and subscribe, and then you can take in the full segment. So see you later, YouTube.